Yo, what is up everybody? It's your channel YME, and let me tell you something, I am so hyped for this video. We're about to dive headfirst into the concrete jungle, the city that never sleeps, the Big Apple, New York City. We're talking about the Empire State Building, Central Park, Times Square, all the good stuff. Buckle up, subscribe, and let's do this thing. Alright, first up on our New York City adventure, we're hopping on the Roosevelt Island Tram. Imagine soaring above the East River, the city skyline sprawling out before you like a breathtaking panorama. The wind's in your hair, the sun's on your face, and you're getting a bird's eye view of the city that never sleeps. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Look out for the Queensboro Bridge, that iconic structure you've seen in countless movies. And keep your eyes peeled for the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, piercing the sky in the distance. This, my friends, is the perfect way to kick off your New York City adventure. From the heights of the Roosevelt Island Tram, we're now diving headfirst into the world of art at the Museum of Modern Art, better known as MoMA. MoMA is a living, breathing testament to human creativity, a place where masterpieces from Van Gogh, Picasso, Warhol, and countless others come together under one roof. Get lost in the vibrant canvases of Starry Night, let the abstract expressions of Jackson Pollock blow your mind, and stand in awe of the thought-provoking installations that define modern art. Trust me, whether you're an art aficionado or just appreciate a good dose of visual stimulation, MoMA will leave you inspired and energized. Next stop, we're stepping into one of New York City's most iconic landmarks, Grand Central Terminal. Grand Central is more than just a transportation hub. It's a cathedral of architecture, a symphony of bustling energy. Look up and marvel at the celestial ceiling, a breathtaking mural depicting the constellations. Feel the energy of thousands of commuters rushing to their destinations, their footsteps echoing through the vast hall. Take a moment to appreciate the history and grandeur of this architectural masterpiece. Grab a coffee, soak in the atmosphere, and let the energy of Grand Central wash over you. All right, folks, we're trading the bustling energy of Grand Central for the sleek elegance of the Chrysler Building. This is Art Deco at its finest, a towering symbol of American ingenuity and architectural audacity. As you gaze up at its gleaming facade, take a moment to appreciate the intricate details. The eagle gargoyles, the hubcaps, the sunburst patterns. It's like something out of a 1920s dream. So, grab your camera, find a good vantage point, and prepare to be amazed by the sheer beauty and grandeur of the Chrysler Building. We've been hitting the pavement hard, exploring the iconic landmarks and bustling streets of New York City. Now it's time to escape the concrete jungle and find some peace and tranquility in the heart of it all, Central Park. Rent a bike and cruise along the winding paths, pack a picnic and relax under the shade of a towering elm tree, or simply wander aimlessly and let the beauty of your surroundings wash over you. From the Bethesda Terrace to Strawberry Fields, Central Park offers endless opportunities for exploration and relaxation. Get ready to be bombarded by a sensory overload like no other because we're heading straight into the heart of it all, Times Square. This is the crossroads of the world, folks, a dazzling spectacle of lights, sounds, and energy that'll leave you buzzing long after you've left. Giant LED screens flashing advertisements, street performers showcasing their talents, costumed characters vying for your attention. It's a whirlwind of activity that's both exhilarating and overwhelming. Just try not to get run over by a taxi while you're at it. From the sensory overload of Times Square, we're stepping into a different kind of architectural marvel, the Oculus. This stunning transportation hub and shopping center is a testament to the power of design and the human spirit. Designed by renowned architect Santiago Calatrava, the Oculus resembles a giant bird taking flight, its white ribs soaring towards the sky. Inside, the space is flooded with natural light, creating an airy and ethereal atmosphere. Whether you're catching a train, browsing the shops, or simply admiring the architecture, the Oculus is a must-see destination that'll leave you in awe. We're now ascending to dizzying heights, folks, to the top of One World Trade Center, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. This iconic skyscraper isn't just a feat of engineering, it's a symbol of New York City's resilience, its unwavering spirit in the face of adversity. As you stand on the observation deck, gazing out at the panoramic views. Take a moment to reflect on the history of this sacred ground. It's a breathtaking reminder of the city's indomitable spirit, its ability to rise above challenges and emerge stronger than ever. Hold on to your wallets, folks, because we're about to enter the high-stakes world of finance on Wall Street. This narrow street in Lower Manhattan is the heart of the financial district, home to the New York Stock Exchange, Federal Hall, and some of the most powerful financial institutions in the world. Feel the energy of the trading floor as brokers shout orders and screens flash with numbers. Whether you're a financial whiz or just curious about the world of money, a walk down Wall Street is a fascinating glimpse into the forces that shape our global economy. From the financial epicenter of Wall Street, we're stepping back in time to Federal Hall, a building steeped in American history. This unassuming structure on Wall Street was once the site of George Washington's inauguration as the first president of the United States. Stand on the very steps where Washington took his oath of office. Imagine the crowds gathered to witness this momentous occasion. Federal Hall is a powerful reminder of the ideals upon which America was founded and the legacy of those who fought for its independence. Next, we set our sights on two of the most iconic symbols of freedom and hope, the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. As you sail across New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty stands tall, welcoming visitors with her torch held high. This gift from France has become a universal symbol of freedom and democracy. Arriving at Ellis Island, imagine the millions of immigrants who pass through its halls, seeking a new life in America. Walk through the restored Great Hall and feel the weight of the dreams and aspirations that filled this space. The stories of these brave souls are etched into the very fabric of American history, making this visit a poignant reminder of the nation's enduring spirit. We're now venturing into the heart of Greenwich Village, folks, to Washington Square Park, a beloved gathering place for students, artists, and free spirits. This iconic park, with its grand arch and lively atmosphere, has been a center of cultural and social life in New York City for generations. Watch street performers showcase their talents, listen to musicians strumming guitars, or simply relax on a bench and soak in the bohemian vibes. Washington Square Park is a microcosm of the city's diversity and energy. We're crossing the East River, folks, to explore one of Brooklyn's most vibrant and trendy neighborhoods, Dumbo. This former industrial waterfront district has been transformed into a hub for artists, designers, and entrepreneurs, with its cobblestone streets, converted warehouses, and stunning views of the Manhattan skyline. And don't forget to snap a photo of the iconic Manhattan Bridge, peeking through the archway under the bridge. It's one of the most Instagrammed spots in the city. Get ready for an unforgettable experience, folks, because we're about to walk across the Brooklyn Bridge, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. This architectural marvel, completed in 1883, connects the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn, spanning the East River with its intricate web of cables and towers. As you walk or bike across the pedestrian walkway, take in the breathtaking views of the city skyline, the Statue of Liberty, and the bustling harbor below. The Brooklyn Bridge is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to the power of connecting people and places. Our final stop on this New York City adventure takes us to Brooklyn Heights, a historic and picturesque neighborhood perched on a bluff overlooking the East River. Stroll along the charming tree-lined streets, admire the stately brownstones and elegant townhouses, and imagine life in old New York. And be sure to head to the Brooklyn Heights Promenade, a waterfront walkway offering unparalleled views of the Manhattan skyline, the Statue of Liberty, and the harbor. It's the perfect place to end your New York City journey, reflecting on the incredible sights you've seen and the memories you've made. So there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour through some of New York City's most iconic and unforgettable destinations. From the soaring heights of the Empire State Building to the vibrant energy of Times Square, this city has something to offer everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel adventures, and until next time, peace out.